I'm Colleen Garrigan, representing PTC's AR Center of Excellence, and I'm excited to walk you through our Vuforia Instruct demonstration today on the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. Like most companies in the automotive space, Royal Enfield is focused on providing high-quality products to their customers. Their reputation depends on it. To do that, they need to inspect the motorcycle at various stages of the production and delivery process. Today, I'm going to walk through an AR-enabled end-of-line or pre-delivery inspection built with Vuforia Instruct. This is the type of inspection procedure that would typically be conducted using a paper-based checklist prior to the bike being shipped. It could also be used by Royal Enfield dealerships for incoming inspections to ensure the specified models were received. As the acting inspector for today's demo, I will begin by logging into the Vuforia Vantage app. As a key component of Vuforia Instruct, Vantage is designed to optimize the delivery of work instructions to frontline workers like me. After I've logged in, I'm presented with an easy-to-use interface, and I only see the procedures that have been shared with me, so the experience is secure and feels personalized. Let's choose the inspection procedure for the Interceptor, and I'll press Start Session to get this inspection underway. I'm being prompted for a serial number. This will directly link any inspection data to this unique motorcycle. As the experience kicks off, I'm shown a live guide, a stencil, that lets me know what object I should be looking for. I'll then align it to the physical motorcycle. Cool, it has locked on and has launched the experience. As it gets kicked off, the wayfinder directs me to my first point of the inspection. And as I get closer, I see a point of interest marker showing me the exact part that I need to focus on. By leveraging CAD models to build the procedure, it allows these markers to be precisely anchored to the physical object. This makes it very clear where I am supposed to go, unlike paper-based documentation, where I would need to spend time first understanding the illustration or description, and then finding the location. In step 1, I'm prompted to see if the headlight will turn on, and then provide pass-fail feedback before moving on to the next step. The headlight did turn on, so we'll press the Pass button to indicate that it passed our inspection. Next, I'll move on to step 2, and I'll immediately be directed by the wayfinder to the back of the motorcycle so that I can inspect the taillight. As I move to the back of the bike, you can see the wayfinder and POI marker are adapting to my movements and keeping me on track. As we can see, the taillight is working, so I'll press the Pass button again. Moving on to step 3, I am directed to check the vehicle's instrument cluster. I'm going to open up the step card and view the image that has been included. The author has edited this image to include boxes around the specific areas that I should look for. It looks like everything is functioning properly. AR visual guidance clearly presents what good looks like and helps ensure that I'm doing the steps correctly. Unlike the first 2 steps, for step 3, I am required to provide confirmation that I've completed it. Okay, it's done, check. Well, there are several more steps in this procedure. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going to skip ahead to the last step. The step overview in Vantage makes it easy for me to navigate through the step list and find the spot that I want to focus on next. In this final step, I'm instructed to spin the back tire. Unfortunately, I cannot get it to spin, so I'm going to mark this off as a fail. And with that, I've reached the end of the procedure, so I'm going to press on the Complete Session button. Before I submit my procedure, I'll have a chance to review my responses and make any final changes. But in my case, I'm happy with the results I've logged, and I'm going to go ahead and hit Submit. How easy was that? By submitting this procedure, a digital log of the inspection I conducted for the motorcycle will be created. This provides a way for any quality issues or inconsistencies that I encountered to be communicated. It also provides traceability for audit and compliance purposes. Now, I'm going to switch roles to demonstrate how the critical data captured at the front line with Vuforia Vantage can be analyzed and leveraged to improve the inspection process. To do that, I'm going to move to Vuforia Insights, which can be accessed via the Vuforia Editor component of Instruct. Vuforia Insights is a secure, built-in reporting and analytics portal where I can view all of the submitted inspections conducted. I'm interested in understanding how all of the Interceptor 650 inspections went, so I'm going to search for only those. I'll click on one of the procedures to get a more detailed view at what steps were passed, failed, and confirmed. I can search for data for a singular event, or get an aggregated view of the data associated with the submitted Interceptor 650 inspection procedures, which then I can export as a CSV file so I can share it with other stakeholders. Well, that concludes our demo. Thank you so much for joining me today, and stay tuned to learn more about how Vuforia Instruct can help companies improve their quality and inspection process to reduce costs and make informed decisions for continuous improvements.